Hey, 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 here we are with another Project Life, Pocket Life layout. This one is of my goddaughter's birthday last year. And you know what? I never did put a date on this. I am using the Citrus Twist Pocket Life kit, this July kit that just came out, and I'm actually getting ready to have another one sent to me. These particular photos were of a donut eating contest that her mom put together for us, and I got down eye level so I could get some good pictures of this young lady right here eating some donuts. And I just use some ephemera. I do bring in some sprinkly bits, like enamel dots, and those Amy Tangerine puffy stickers right there. Those donuts. Well, a few seconds ago. And I do a little bit of stamping, not a whole lot, but the stamp sets this month were more of a sarcastic type theme, and they didn't really, I guess, match up with where I needed them to be. But I still love them. I mean, I'll use them. It's always good to have an arsenal of stamps. I actually just got a new set today was on like super clearance at Hobby Lobby. They were $1.49, and it was for a set of Bo Bunny. Gosh, I can't even remember the name of it now, sorry. But yeah. And then I remembered I wanted to add some more sprinklies, and this sheet of enamel dots that I'm using, I actually used all of them this video. So, woo-hoo, another sheet down. Then we get around to, yes, that beautiful little face. I do use a Pocket Life, gosh, I use one of the 3x4 cards, and I trim it down to put in the middle there. I actually did that on 2 or 3 of the layouts here. 2 of them, I think. And this is her face. Oh my goodness. And this, oh yeah, came from the ephemera pack. I was just trying to figure out where I wanted it to be put, because I also wanted to put winter on there, and do a little bit of a border stamp here. And put any paper under me, so naturally I gonna have a mess now. I'm bringing some labels to the top left up there, just because I needed something else. I did use from that Amy Tan sticker sheet there, I think I used all the donuts, because it felt like this was the time to shine with the donut stickers. So I actually have a donut stamp set. When I was part of the, excuse me, I'm putting my robe on. It's a little bit chilly in here. We had a stamp set when I was part of the Stamps of Life stamps and die set. Excuse me. So I actually have a die set of donuts. And I made the cutest card. I used glossy accents to make the icing look like it was really icing. It was a really cute card. I think it would probably be on one of my wrap-up videos for the kit, but I did bring those stamps in from where did I get that stamp set from? I don't know. I mean, it's a Citrus Twist one, but oh, is that the one that came? I think that's the one that came in the warehouse box, actually. I think. Please don't quote me on that, because remembering things is not my strong point. It's my crazy kookalook daughter here. And I was just pointing that the pants really match this background here. So that's why I decided to use the yellow. And I don't actually trim this 3x4 card down. I just kind of place it as evenly as I can, which we all know is a struggle for me. But I don't think I did too bad. This one I keep really simple. Actually, I think most of these layouts are pretty simple on this. I don't know, sometimes you feel like embellishing all day long, or me anyway, I feel like just putting it all on there, and then other times I'm happy with just a few ephemera pieces and a few enamel dots, and I feel like it's complete, and that's what I shoot for, is the feeling of completion. That's why I don't like it when there's just that one little thing that's off and you just can't place your finger on it. But what are you gonna do? And she's a mess. I tell you. This one probably had the most ephemera pieces on it, this particular mini layout. But I liked it. I like it a lot. I believe the birthday party was Descendant themed. Because she is all about the Descendants, okay? And on the previous video, you saw where they made the artwork for her room, where she was doing splatters of paint, and they were Descendant colors. And this year, I believe we're doing a unicorn party. I believe she's doing a unicorn party. A friend of mine does unicorn cakes. She's got like a little bakery she does. She hasn't gotten a place yet, but she does it out of her house. And she's just did the cutest little cake. If you're ever on Facebook, it's called Skinny's Sweet Shop, I believe. And she just did an amazing job on a unicorn cake. And I told Giselle's mom, my goddaughter's name is Giselle, I was like, we have to make this happen for her. I was struggling on what to put in the middle of this because the one camera was white from the Amy Tan. The other camera was too big, the black one. And then I looked over and I saw Happy Time. And I was like, perfect. But yeah, I tried to get a few different angles of the donut eating contest so that I could pretty much get everybody in there. Because I had a few family members from my household that decided to do it. I'm not real wild about how I ended up doing this card. It's done though. But it's kind of strange how I put that sideways. Felt like it was going to be okay. Kind of having second thoughts on it now that I'm looking at it on video. So, here we are. Oh well. I did have this is not a card. I cut one of those 6x8 sheets of paper down in half and then in half again, making a 3x4. And that's pretty much it. I do go back and add a donut. You'll see in the end pictures a donut to the middle of another picture that I don't know if I showed on here. Anyway, I do finish up using the rest of the donuts. No, sorry, a few hearts and the rest of that enamel dot glitter sticker dots. And that's all. That is it. That is it, my friends. Sorry, it's been, last weekend was, the third weekend of the month is always very hectic for me. I've got a food giveaway at church. I got my god babies that come over. I mean, I always have to pick and choose my time wisely, but I'm here, and I plan on starting my wedding album very, very soon. I've picked out a few papers and my first layout so far, so hopefully that will be coming tomorrow or the next day. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and see you next time. Bye!